In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up payment methods in ShopWired, and I'll also reveal a competitor that could actually be a better option for your needs. Stick around, because by the end, you'll not only know how to set up payments in ShopWired, but also discover a way to get an extended free trial on one of the best alternatives available. So, you're using ShopWired and need to set up payment methods. The process is relatively simple, but getting it right is crucial for smooth transactions. First thing you'll need to do is log into your ShopWired admin panel. From here, head over to the Settings section, which can be found on the left-hand menu. Next thing, click on Payment Methods under the Payments tab. This is where all your options to configure payment providers are located. You'll see a list of different payment gateways that ShopWired supports, like PayPal, Stripe, and others. If you don't see a payment method you prefer, ShopWired also lets you set up custom gateways, but that requires some additional setup. The third thing to keep in mind is enabling your payment method. For example, if you choose Stripe, simply click Enable next to Stripe in the list, and then you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account to authenticate and connect it to ShopWired. This authentication process is simple, just follow the instructions on screen to ensure everything's connected. Next, you'll configure any additional settings related to each payment method. With PayPal, for instance, you'll need to enter your PayPal merchant ID or link your PayPal account. ShopWired does a good job of providing clear instructions for each supported method, so you won't be left in the dark. After enabling your preferred payment methods, make sure to test them to ensure they're working correctly. A quick test order can help you verify that payments are being processed correctly without issues. Sometimes there might be issues with your API keys or authentication, so always double-check if something goes wrong. One last thing, when it comes to transaction fees and payment processing times, ShopWired does have its advantages and disadvantages. Some users report slower processing times with certain payment methods, which could be frustrating if you're in a hurry. Additionally, while the setup is straightforward, some competitors might offer better integration options or additional payment methods that ShopWired lacks. Speaking of alternatives, I've actually found a competitor that might be a better option for your business. It has a more streamlined setup process, more payment options, and better processing times overall. Plus, if you're looking for a more robust solution for scaling your business, this competitor could be the right fit. Now, as promised, you can get an exclusive extended free trial for this competitor through the link in the description. By using our link, you'll unlock special benefits that you won't get elsewhere. So, while ShopWired is a good choice for many, it's always worth considering what else is out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that exclusive trial offer through the link below.